Let's take a look at how Anthropic and OpenAI can solve a simple task inside Excel file using the same Excel MCP server. Here's a list of operating system families. Let's ask AI last product version for each family. Let's close the file and go to Claude. Here's an already prepared prompt for the task. Let's give it to Claude and see what happens. Claude opens the file using our Excel MCP server. Then it reads its contents. Then it modifies the sheet by adding last known product name for each operating system family. Then it saves changes back to the file. Finally, it verifies itself and reports success back to us, as well as shows what it did. Let's check our file now. Great. New column was added, and last known data was added to it. Let's clear the column and switch to OpenAI models. Here's a simple C# project that creates a chat with a given OpenAI model equipped with the same Excel MCP server. Let's run that server manually before conducting experiments. Let's start with GPT-4o. The app first shows the tools provided by the Excel MCP server. Let's use the same prompt we used with Claude. GPT-4o is quite fast, though we cut some of its thinking time for brevity. Let's check what we've got in the file. Aha, good results. Aha, good results. Let's clear new column again, save and close the file. Next model, O1. Let's test it. Same prompt as before. Again, thinking wait time was cut for brevity. So, O1 says it added data to the file. Let's check that. Nope, it didn't add correct data. Let's clear the column and save the file. Next model is O3 Mini. Let's run it. Again, same prompt. And we again cut thinking time for brevity. This time, the model gave us a report, but it's unclear whether it actually did the job or not. Let's ask her to proceed with the job. Aha, now it confirms it completed the job. Let's check that. This is an incorrect data, too. Let's clean the column again. Here's the last experiment, GPT 4.5 preview. Time to launch it. As before, we'll use the same prompt. And, as before, we cut thinking time from video for brevity. GPT 4.5 preview asks a clarifying question. Let's tell it to just use what it knows from training. So, seems like it only changed the first row. Let's ask it to ensure that all rows have the necessary data. Strangely, GPT 4.5 preview believes there's just one entry. Let's check the file itself then. Nope, first column is here, but model added only one thing. Certainly, reading Excel file, adding a new column, and writing data is not a complex coding task, but results more or less resemble what benchmarks say about Sonnet version 3.7. It's much better than OpenAI models. Surprisingly, GPT-4o managed to solve the problem correctly during this run, but in more than 10 previous attempts it never succeeded.